to our podcast. We're here at the convention, the ISSA BSCAI Convention and Trade Show. Our guest is Dan Knudsen with YRC Freight Systems, right?
It's YRC Worldwide.
Worldwide.
Yep.
Okay.
It's the owning company, the parent company of the brands YRC, which was formerly Yellow and Roadway Corporation, Newpin, Holland, Redaway, Reimer, our sister company Reimer in Canada, and truckload carrier Glenmore.
Okay.
Quite a few companies.
So I remember the old yellow transit.
Yep.
I remember that.
Yep.
So you're also one of our BSCAI sponsors.
Yes.
Can you give me a little bit of an idea, or give our listeners a little bit of an idea of what services you provide, or can provide, or do provide for the BSCs?
Yeah, well, we are a transportation company. We're specialized in LTL, that's less than truckload shipping. So the type of shipping that we see from the BSCIs is your palletized chemicals, your machinery, trade show booths, anything that weighs over 150 pounds. We are the leading company in the industry. We control the majority of the market. We go to more locations than any other company in the industry in North America. So we service Canada, Mexico, and intra-Canada.
All right. So if I were a building service contractor and I wanted to have my chemicals shipped from one of these great companies here, I could ask that they be shipped by your company. Is that right?
You could, and because you're members of this association, you obtain special rates. Our job is to provide a transportation solution to all members of BSCAI. So if you have a shipping need, we have a program, we have something that we'll set up to provide you, not only with superior service but also cost savings. So that's something we offer to all the members is that price promise that we will guarantee that we will provide a rate that is better or equal to any other rate that a carrier competitor is providing.
I think you've probably got some people who sit up and take notice here, because I'm not sure that had been explained real well.
Yeah.
So actually, you'll send anything. I think you said trade show booths. You said whatever. If
anything that's on this floor, anything that that weighs over 150 pounds. It doesn't necessarily have to be 150 pounds or greater, but if the size is one that you would reach an over dimension size with a small parcel carrier, we would be the best option.
So at this show, how have you? Has the traffic been good? Has the business been good? As I used to call them, or usually call them, suspects that we turned into prospects?
Yeah. Traffic has been good. What I'm hearing from the majority of the members is what I'm hearing from lots of other industries is that, and it's what we're seeing is there are less shipments, and the shipments that we are seeing are weighing less, so less products being shipped throughout the U.S. So they're experiencing the same sorts of troubles that many other companies are in the U.S. And we're at the forefront of that. So we see, and from a macro perspective in the economy, YRC Worldwide is showing increase every month. So we are continuing to see the economy slowly come back, and I'm sure the members of this organization are seeing that as well.
Well, and that just triggered another thought. One of the things that Tripod has done with our DVD library is that we have done some DVDs on how to become more cost effective in doing your operation. And we all think of, well, cut the labor, but I've done a DVD where we say, look at the other areas of your business for savings, and this is an area where our members can look and say, this is another, it's like Senator Dirksen said many years ago, $1 billion here and $1 billion there, and pretty soon you got big money.
Yeah, we're often the last thought of portion of a company's business. They're generally passionate about what they do, but they don't want to worry about the transportation side. And when reality is that transportation can be a major expense. So that's where they can rely on this solution for BSCAI members, is that we are providing that transportation service. But as I stated at the beginning of this, we represent several carriers, so we can provide a solution that will optimize their transportation supply chain. So if a customer has regional moves, we can apply a regional carrier. If a customer has national moves, over 900 miles, we can provide a national carrier. So we provide the full portfolio of all of that.
Well, I think you have. I know you've enlightened me, and I'm confident that we've got a lot of listeners out there that say, "I didn't know it. I didn't know that." So I really want to thank you for joining us today and being here and being a sponsor and partner to BSCAI.
Yep. Thank you.